In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover spaces in Quora. If you want to find new communities and topics that match your interests on Quora, this process is simple once you know where to look. We'll be using a few different areas of the platform to help surface relevant spaces, so you can explore more content and connect with communities that are already active around subjects you care about. To begin, open Quora and click on the following section. This area is useful because it gathers the people, topics, and communities you're already connected to. Starting here gives you a more personalized path to discovering spaces, instead of browsing randomly. It's a good place to begin because Quora often organizes recommendations based on your existing activity and interests. Once you're in following, choose any space that catches your attention. It doesn't have to be the perfect one right away. The goal here is to open a space and start exploring from there. When you enter a space, you can get a better sense of the kind of content being shared, how people interact, and whether that community is related to other spaces you may want to follow later. This is a helpful way to branch out naturally from something that already looks relevant. Next, go to Right Answers. This might not seem like an obvious place to discover spaces, but it can actually help you uncover more topic-based activity on Quora. The answer writing area is closely tied to the kinds of questions and subjects the platform thinks are relevant to you, so it can lead you toward communities built around those same interests. From there, click on the highlighted area shown on the screen. This section helps draw your attention to the part of the interface where Quora organizes suggested content. Take a moment here and look carefully, because this is where the platform begins to reveal more personalized recommendations based on your engagement and browsing behavior. After that, click on Questions for You. This is an especially useful step because Quora curates this section according to the topics it believes you're interested in. By reviewing these suggested questions, you can often discover patterns in the subjects being recommended, and that can lead you to related spaces worth exploring. In other words, the more relevant the questions feel, the better your chances of finding communities that match them. That's how to discover spaces in Quora. As a final tip, pay attention to the topics and themes that appear repeatedly while you browse, because those are often the best clues for finding spaces you'll actually enjoy following.